In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Nano Banana new feature, changing models. Open your preferred browser and head to Google. This is the quickest way to get to the right place, especially if you don't have the exact address memorized. In the search box, type Google Gemini. You're looking for the official Google Gemini site, which is where we'll access the image creation tools. From the results, click the official Gemini link that leads to Google's app page. If you're ever unsure, check that the address includes the gemini.google.com domain so you know you're in the right spot. If you see a sign-in prompt, just sign in and you'll land on the app. Once you're in the app, find and click the Create Image button. This action activates the Nano Banana feature behind the scenes and opens the image generation flow. Think of this area as your creative canvas, where the prompt you write will guide the model to produce visuals that match your idea. Now craft your prompt. Be descriptive and specific so the model understands the style, subject, and mood you want. For example, you could write something like, a futuristic cyber banana designed with neon circuitry, glowing edges, metallic texture, and holographic effects, floating in a dark sci-fi environment with sparks, fog, and glowing geometric shapes. Ultra detailed and visually striking. Details like lighting, materials, and setting help the model focus and reduce guesswork. If you're aiming for a certain vibe, mention it directly. Here's where the new feature shines. You can now change models before generating. Look for the model's control and click it to open the list. Select the option labeled Thinking to prioritize deeper reasoning and more deliberate interpretation of your prompt. Different models may emphasize speed, creativity, or reasoning, so choosing one that matches your goal can make a noticeable difference in the results. If you're exploring varied looks or want more consistent structure in complex scenes, switching models is a great lever to pull. With your prompt ready and the model selected, click Submit. The system will process your request and produce the image based on your instructions and model choice. If the first result isn't perfect, don't worry. Iterating is part of the creative process. Tweak your wording, add or remove details, or try another model to compare how the output changes. Small adjustments, like specifying camera angle, color palette, or level of realism, can dramatically improve the outcome. That's it. You've used the Nano Banana feature and changed models to generate images with Gemini. Experiment, compare, and refine to get the visuals you're after.